Are you curious about more ways to make money online? You probably think you've already seen it all, but if you haven't watched today's video yet, then there's one little method that you missed. In today's video, we're bringing back content like before, making money by watching videos, because I've made a few videos just like this a few months back, but today's video only contains the freshest and the newest website possible. It's actually insane. We're going to be sharing more websites that pay you to watch videos, up to $10 per video, which is crazy. If you watch for an hour, you can make $45. If you watch for about 2 hours, you'll be making $90. And if you're able to watch for 3 hours, you could be making over $130. What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the new Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money-making videos daily, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit the notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up, and you'll be the first one to know and try it out. Our first website is called Swingbox.com. As you can see, get paid every 15 seconds. It's trusted and sustainable. You can earn money for free with multiple ways. You can view ads. You click on ads daily and get up to 3 cents per click. You can do clicks grid, which you can win up to $1 directly into your account balance. Of course, watch videos, our focus for today's video, and we will get more into that later. Watch YouTube videos and get paid for that. You can complete offers that pay and earn points. And then they also have an affiliate system, so you can refer new members and multiply your earnings. Now, the benefits of the members are earn up to 3 cents per click, earn up to 2 cents per sign up, earn up to $20 per referral upgrade plans. You can do that, and it is the safest and easiest way to earn online. Now, about Swingbox, they have professional support, it is secure, and there is a stable environment. Services are instant, ideas are innovative, customer-oriented business, this is what this website is, and it is DDoS protected. Now, this website has already paid out over $17,000 to 118,000 members, which is insane. Now, to sign up, just hit on register, and that should take you to here. Now, fill in all of the details being asked: your full name, your username, your password, your email, password twice, and password again. And then, of course, your payment information, because how else are you gonna get paid? So make sure you leave that there as well, so there will be no hassle whatsoever. Do the CAPTCHA to confirm that you're not a robot. Agree to the terms and services, and boom, hit on register, and just like that, you have an account. Now that you have an account and you're finally logged into your account, you will be met with a lot of ads and commercials that you can view to start making money online right away. Now, sometimes those people who try to use these methods, they don't make as much money as they'd like, simply because they don't know which videos to watch, which category to focus on, which ads to focus on, and what's going to make you the most money. And we're going to be sharing with you which videos and which categories you should actually watch to really make the most money, to make it 100 times easier for you. If you guys want to know how you can make even more money online, over $1,000 every single day, then make sure you check our description box down below, because we have a pleasant surprise there that I know you guys are going to absolutely love. So make sure you check out our description box down below for that surprise. Also, let me know what payment method you would prefer: PayPal, Payoneer, whatever that may be. Let me know in the comments down below, because I'd love to know and read through them, and maybe I can even respond to some. But for now, let's get back into the video. The first bonus tip we have is for you to focus on micro ads. Now, the reason for this being you can make money just by watching 10-second videos and maybe even less, but definitely not more than 10 seconds. Then, after 10 seconds of a video ad playing, you'll be then brought to another video, and then from there, all you need to do is actually keep watching the rest of the video and wait until the next ad to pop up, and then watch it for another 10 seconds, and so on and so forth. And just like that, you can make a lot of money. So that is our first bonus tip, and it is a great bonus tip, by the way. Next bonus tip is to actually mute the video, which means that you can let it keep playing while you do other things without it bothering you. Now, this is a great tip because you can open up more than one video so that you can be making many times 5 or even 10 all at once. And if you have both a computer and a phone, then you can open 20 times more ads or videos all at once and expect to earn 20 times more than you initially expected to earn, which is great. Now, the whole concept of this tip is simply just how you can make money and expand your income and your earnings by somewhat hacking the system, but not in a bad way at all. You're just maybe taking out the sounds of the rest of the videos and opening 10 more at the same time, and in that way you can earn 10 times more, right? So that's just a very simple hack that I guess you guys could try, and it's very great, by the way. You should try it because we've done it before and it's done amazing things for us, to be honest. Now, another bonus tip would be that you can do swing grid or clicks grid, wherein when you click all of these boxes, you earn money by watching the ads that it takes you to. So there are about 100 and maybe even 1,000 boxes. I don't know. I can't really count, which means that's how much ads there are on here too, which is great. Before we finish up, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. And also let us know in the comments down below what videos you'd like to see next so we can note them down and maybe do it for our next video. Now let's continue. So aside from clicking on the ads and earning like $1 or $2 or even $5, you could be winning $5,000 if you click on one lucky grid. So imagine winning $5,000. So basically you're going to click on a grid and you're going to stay there for at least 10 seconds per grid, per ad that it takes you to, so you can at least make $5 per ad and increase the chances of you winning $5,000. Now, clicks are resetted every single day, so you can come back on here every single day, and you don't even actually have to wait for a whole new day. Like, you can go at 12 midnight, after 12 midnight, you're back again with full grids, and you can do that, earn some more, plus have more chances of winning that $5,000. So these are just awesome opportunities. So make sure that you check out swingbox.com and do everything that we instructed you guys to do so that you can earn just like the way that we promised. And that is basically it. If there's nothing else, then thank you guys so much for watching today's video. We've finally hit 60,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for all of your support. And our next goal is 70,000, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you missed anything at all. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.